Video presentation of the 2005 Haas Super Speed VF4 APC. Got the spindle running right now. Did a warm up. It's currently at about 6,000 RPMs. I'm gonna go ahead and run through the axes real quick. We'll start with a tool change. One more time. And we'll go with the hand job here. Go x-axis. Z. Then we'll go ahead and do the Y. And the chip auger. All I can see is really is aluminum chips in here, so that's pretty much what that was doing. It's equipped with the whips. Stop the chip there. It does have the automatic pallet changer. This machine is also wired, pre-wired for 4th and 5th axis, so it's 4th and 5th axis ready. Quick walk around. Here is the 4th and 5th axis pre-wires that are ready to go. We have the shipping bracket. We have the leveling pads are with it, so we're good there. 40 horsepower vector drive. Got the coolant tank with it. Overall, pretty nice machine. This concludes the video presentation of the 2005 VF4 APC Super Speed.